Hey y'all, Carolina Tony in Boulder City, Nevada, and standing outside of Outpost Alien Museum. I don't have a clue what's in here, but we're going to go inside and investigate. That's what we do. Anyway, we'll get started right after the station identification.
The next voice you hear will be that of Brigadier General Montgomery Smith, commander of the state militia at Trenton, New Jersey.
I have been requested by the governor of New Jersey to place the counties of Mercer and Middlesex as far west as Princeton and east to Jamesburg under martial law. No one will be permitted to enter this area except by special pass.
So they really don't know what aliens look like. Here's a short gray and the Alpha Draconia. Perhaps here are some more. The Zeta Rectalian, the Red Ebens, and the Amphibian Gray. The short gray, what is this? Stand behind the line. Okay, there's all kinds of information here on aliens, ancient Egypt, and the alien connection. You know, I've often heard that, just the different things as in Egypt, like for instance these pharaohs. Oh Lord, there's some spooky looking stuff. And what if you ran into this thing? Crystals. Roswell. That's why everybody learned about aliens and these cute little fellas, and there's some scenes from the movie. Oh. I did not know that. On May 21st, 1953, an unidentified flying object reportedly crashed in the desert 8 miles of Kingman Airport in Arizona. This event has been described by UFO researchers as one of the best documented cases in the United States. Witnesses report seeing a fleet of 8 flying saucer-type aircraft engage what looked like a dogfight. 3 craft ended up falling from the sky. One was obliterated when it smashed into the mountainside that towers above Kingman. In 1973, a local man named Arlen McGrath discovered unusual skeletal remains on the banks of the Colorado River near Nelson's Landing, Nevada. For many years, the remains were believed to belong to a chimpanzee and were affectionately nicknamed Desert Chimp. Arlen was convinced he had found some bones of a chimpanzee, which at the time wasn't considered unusual. In the 1960s and 70s, exotic pets like chimpanzees were legal and not uncommon in the Las Vegas area. The Desert Chimp story circulated for nearly 2 decades, capturing the curiosity of locals and visitors alike. It wasn't until the 1990s that researchers took a closer look and realized that the remains were not from a chimpanzee at all. The skeleton's elongated torso, usually short legs and long arms, didn't match any known primate species. Instead, these features pointed to something more mysterious: the Kingman connection. Today, it is believed that the remains, known as Buster, may have belonged to a surviving occupant of the infamous 1953 Kingman UFO crash. Some researchers speculate that Buster may have crossed the Colorado River after the crash, but ultimately perished due to the harsh desert environment and extreme temperatures. Alongside Buster's remains, a fragment of tattered silver-colored material was found. Weathered and darkened from years in the earth, this material is now thought to be part of the same metallic fabric described by witnesses of the Kingman crash, believed to have been worn by the craft's occupants. A lot of these creatures in here have been made by a Hollywood makeup fabricator, artist, Tom Devlin. He's got a monster museum next door. Remember the TV show Visitor? An alien. How about this guy? Predator. Well, I hope you have enjoyed our trip to the alien encounter here in Boulder City, Nevada, right outside of weird Las Vegas. Pretty interesting? Nah, I don't know. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.